Hi students, welcome to the class. Do you remember our Juggu elephant? Juggu ആനയെ ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ? ജഗ്ഗു കാട്ടിലേക്ക് പോകുന്ന വഴിയിൽ കുറേ കൂട്ടുകാരെ കണ്ടു. അപ്പൊ ആ കൂട്ടുകാരെന്താണ് ജഗ്ഗുവിനോട് ചോദിക്കുന്നത് എന്നാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. Who is this? A rabbit. Juggu, where are you going? Where are you going? Frog. Juggu, where are you going? Where are you going? Who is this? A bear. A bear. Juggu, where are you going? Where are you going? Who is this? Wolf. Juggu, can you ask? What will ask? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Who is this? An ant. Ant. Urumbu. Where are you going, Juggu? Where are you going? Who is this? Where are you going? Where are you going? Who is this? Yeah. A rat. Juggu, where are you going? Where are you going? Who is this? A goat. A goat. Goat is also asking to Juggu. Juggu, come on. Students, come on, you say, where are you going? Where are you going? Can you ask? To your mummy, you go and ask, Mummy, where are you going? Papa, where are you going? Where are you going? Yes, the Juggu will say, I'm going to forest. I'm going to forest. Where are you going? I'm going to play. I'm going to play. Where are you going? I'm going to eat. I'm going to eat. Where are you going? I'm going to bath. Where are you going? I'm going to sleep. Where are you going? I'm going to study. I'm going to study. Thank you.